The researcher agent in Copilot just got a major upgrade. Microsoft announced a new way of using researcher. And using this new approach, researcher is performing significantly better than other models. The link to this article is given in the description. So when you go to researcher, you will see this auto option. So first, it submits the prompt to GPT, gets the response. Now that response is fed to Claude, and Claude is going to cross check its accuracy, the analytical breadth, and the presentation quality. And the combined output is then given to you as the final result. In case you want, you can explicitly choose GPT or Claude as per your discretion as well. And lastly, Model Council is another option where the same prompt is given to GPT and Claude separately. Both of them run in parallel, and then the final output is given to another dedicated model called a judge model, which compares the output and gives you a summary. If you don't see Claude in the drop down, your IT team will have to enable it. The details at the end of the video. So let's see this in action. In order to compare the output, I'm going to give the same prompt for all the options. The prompt is an open-ended one. I'm asking researcher, when a company grows too fast, why does it break? Why do things go wrong? As far as sources are concerned, I'm only using web, means external facing references only. When you submit a prompt to researcher, usually it will ask you some further qualifying questions. In this case, the questions were similar for all the options. So I have given the same answer where you can choose any industry. We are talking about factors internal to the company, and I have also asked it to include case studies. So now with that in mind, we are going to see the output comparison of Auto, GPT only, Claude only, and Model Council. In Model Council, the output is a little different. First, it shows you the progress of both of them parallelly. When both of them complete the output, then it'll create a summary which compares the two. The researcher output is comprehensive and long. So just scrolling this is not going to help us compare. So I converted these to Word documents and added a table of contents as well. So this is the output of auto mode. It's giving me various reasons why scaling goes wrong, along with case study for each of the items. This is 11 pages long. This is GPT only version. This is also 12 pages long. The table of content looks shorter because the case studies are embedded within the topics. There is the Claude only version, which is 19 pages and more comprehensive. Next, we have the GPT output from council mode, which is similar to the original GPT output. And this is the Claude output in model council mode. It's also similar, but the structure is a little different. Finally, this is the summary. It is giving you a combined summary of both outputs. Then it is explaining what Claude did and what GPT did. And further down is giving me the areas of agreement and areas of disagreement. Now I had to compare the output of all these files. So I went ahead and saved them on OneDrive, selected those files, and asked Copilot inside OneDrive to compare key differences between these files and give me results as a table. And here is the comparative output. All these documents are available to you for download. The link is in the description. Under Focus and Structure, Breakdown, Sequence, Case Studies, Insights, and Key Lessons. As an example, if you look at case studies, the auto mode is giving you maximum number of case studies because they are combining the output of both. And similar concept applies to other categories as well. The exact difference between these models will depend on the topic or the prompt. Now, while we are on the subject of prompt, researcher requires extensive understanding of what exactly you want. Go to Prompt Coach, ask Prompt Coach to refine your prompt, and then put that in researcher. That will give you much more comprehensive and relevant results. So, what is the best practice? I recommend by default use the auto mode because there you are getting best of both worlds. Of course, GPT and Claude have their own strengths. How will you find those strengths? Well, then use it in model council mode so that you can get both outputs and compare the results and understand which model is useful under which circumstances. And when you have that knowledge, then depending on the prompt, you can explicitly choose GPT or Claude as per your discretion. We must thank Gaurav Anand and team for this amazing work. If you don't see Claude, your IT team needs to enable it. Show this to your IT admin. Go to M365 Admin Center, open the Copilot section, then go to Settings. Click on View All. Scroll down till you see Microsoft Subprocessors option. Click on it, and then you will see Anthropic. By default, it will be disabled. Enable it. You and your compliance team will want to know how the data is handled. Technical details are given here. Link is in the description. If you found the video to be useful, share it with everyone and like it. To learn more and work smarter, subscribe to the channel. So that's it for now. See you soon in another video. Thank you for watching.